Hi everybody, here's a little information before the video starts. This is Scout. This is Jim. Reverend Sykes. Sibo. Calpurnia. Lula. And Atticus. So you should not get lost now, so enjoy the video.
Atticus, does Jim have a tapeworm?
No, Scout. Jim is just growing up.
You mean that puberty thing?
I guess so.
I want to beat him up, but I ain't big enough. Here's a letter from Dale. He's not coming this summer. He got a new daddy. He's a lawyer, like Atticus. He wants to marry me. I'm getting married.
Scout, shush.
You don't tell me what to do.
You should. I am bigger than you.
You know what they say. The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
What in heaven am I going to do?
What?
Church this Sunday.
Cal, you know we'll behave.
How about you two like to come with me to church tomorrow?
Sure. Yes,
I've never been to a colored church before. Now you two go take a shower. Jim, go to the bathtub. Scout, I'll give you to wash myself.
Look, Jim, there's a cemetery.
Oh, I see. It's covered with broken Coca-Cola bottles.
Do I look gorgeous?
Yes, I do look gorgeous. Anyway. Here it is, children. First purchase, my colored church.
Calpurnia, tell me, what are those white children doing in a colored church?
It's the same God, isn't it? I thought so. I know we don't belong here. You two are my company. No. You stay with me. Don't let that old hag scare you. She's just angry because she's eating Metaphors. Okay?
Yes, me, Angelo.
So, here's a dime for both of you, and you keep it, because we're gonna donate it.
That's us,
Here comes
that's
Reverend
us, that's
Sykes.
us, yeah, that's...
Brothers and sisters, I am glad that all of you are here today, and I'm glad that today we have some white company. Tea. Alright, let's start with the announcements. Tom Robinson is in jail. His wife cannot go to work with the little ones, I mean his children. We have to donate some nickels and dimes to get $10 so we can give it to Tom's wife. Everybody make your donation in the tiny little red can. Yeah, donate.
Yeah.
Let's. This is not enough. This is not $10. Larry, shut the doors. No puppet is leaving out of this church until we have $10 Hey you! Yes you! You have no children, you're not married. Make a sacrifice and donate. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. So, did the white folks donate?
Yeah.
They did? Oh, okay. I guess I have to put in the rest myself. Alright, people. I am not very happy, but we got the $10 and it's going to Tom's wife. Everybody, have a nice day. Go back to your lives. Leave church. Open the doors. Thank you.
Aren't there any hymn books, Cal?
Well, most people can read.
So it'll be useless to have hymn books, right?
Right, Chig.
Who taught you to read?
My neighbor taught me my letters.
Oh, then I met her.
Yes, I'm
You're
older
that
than your
old?
father. I have it on
What's
Christmas.
your birthday?
It's easier to remember. Thank you, Scout.
But you look a lot younger than Atticus.